Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Photos and locating the exact image you want gone. Tap Library or Albums, or use search with a keyword or date to narrow results. This saves time. Once you see the photo full screen, inspect it to confirm it's the right one. Make sure live photo or multiple variants are visible, because deleting behaves differently for duplicates. Now that you have the confirmed image open, you're ready for the delete options that follow. Once the image is open, tap the trash icon and choose Delete Photo to remove it from the device and iCloud photos. Alternatively, choose Remove from Album to keep it in Library, but out of that album. If the photo was synced from a computer, you'll see it persist until you unsync. Make sure to check Settings Photos for iCloud Photos status. Also consider duplicates. Deleting one copy may leave others. Make your choice based on whether you want full deletion or just album removal. To finish, open Albums and scroll to Recently Deleted. Select the photo and choose Delete to permanently remove it immediately instead of waiting up to 30 days. Once done, make sure your other devices synced via iCloud reflect the change by checking a paired iPad or Mac. If the photo still appears, sign out and back into iCloud or restart the Photos app. This often forces synchronization. Troubleshooting tip: if deletion fails, toggle iCloud.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.